One day I watched this clock ad on YouTube. I thought to make it inside After Effects. So in this video you will learn how to create a clock with animation in no time and a lot of editing tips and tricks. And don't forget to download project file for free. The link is below. So let's create together. So let's create. First of all, I will create new comp. You can also click over here, new composition, or you can click over here on this icon. Click here and I will call it clock, and here is the width height. Copy the settings and set the duration 11. Hit OK. And this is the image which we will create inside After Effects. Simply select this image and drag and drop inside this comp and right click, transform, and here is the fit to comp. You can also press Ctrl Alt F to fit this image inside this comp. So first I will create this circle inside of this clock. So it's very easy. Make sure this layer is not selected, otherwise it will create a mask. So select this tool. You can also press Q, click and hold down, and here is the ellipse tool. Select this one and by holding Ctrl and Shift, left click and draw a perfect nice circle over here. Then select this selection tool and move it over here. You can also press Ctrl Alt Home to set the anchor point in the middle of this, or you can click over here. Here you can see this line tab. Close it up. Here you can see this line tab. If you are not looking this line tab over here, simply let's go to window and here is the line. Select this one from here. Simply select this layer and click and set it a line vertical and horizontal. Okay, it's looking perfect. So first of all, select this image and move it upside little bit. Okay, at this point. Okay, it's looking perfect. The next step, select this layer, press Ctrl D and create one more duplicate. At this time I will create the outer part of this rectangle. Now at this time I will create the outer part of this clock. This is a stroke. Select this eye to make it visible, and at this time, and here is the fill option, select none. And now I need only stroke. Select the stroke from here, solid color. Okay, and set the size around 20, maybe 50 is good, not 50, only 45 is good. Okay, it's looking good, and click over here and press S and little bit scale down and change its color into dark gray like so. Select this eyedropper. You can also select the color from here like so. Hit OK. So at this time I will create the next part of it, this buttons. So how to create these buttons? It's very easy. Again go to tools and from here select the rectangle tool. So first of all I will create this and left click and draw a rectangle. So it is creating a stroke. Go to fill option and select the solid and come back. Here is the stroke. Select the stroke none because I don't need the stroke. Select the selection tool and move it over here. Again select the color from here, select this eyedropper and select the same color but move it backside. Hit OK. First of all select this layer and move it backside of this stroke, and this is our stroke. Select this one, press enter and I will call it stroke. Now it's behind. Press Ctrl D and duplicate and move it up and scale it like so. And again select this rectangle tool from here and draw another rectangle over here like so, and select this layer and press R and rotate it like so by holding Ctrl. First of all select this selection tool by holding Ctrl and move it over here. I will call it to button, call to button. Move it backside of this stroke. Select this little button and press Ctrl D and move it upside. Little bit zoom this one and move it upside. Now increase the size of it and it's looking perfect. Now at this time select both of these buttons by holding Ctrl and press Ctrl D. Select the little button 3 and move it upside and move it over here at this point and press R to reveal its rotation value, and now rotate it like so. Press Ctrl Alt Home to set the anchor point in the middle. It will be helpful for our animations. Select the other little button 4 and move it to the other sides by holding Ctrl and move it. Now it's perfect. If I will hide the original, so now we have this kind of this shape. It's looking a little bit weird. Show this circle inside circle. Select this one, press enter and I will call it circle. select this image and solo this one. By clicking on this button, you can solo this one. Now I will create this inner side of this part, so it's very easy. First of all, click on this rectangle, hold down and select this ellipse tool again. By holding Ctrl Shift and draw another perfect nice circle. It's creating a circle. Press Ctrl Z, undo. Make sure none of the layer is selected. Click anywhere and again hold down Ctrl and Shift and left click and draw another circle. Select this selection tool and move it over here and select the color any kind of, which do you like, and select this eyedropper. I will like this color. It's looking cool. So next I will create this outer line of this. Select this one, press enter and I will type little inside circle. Press enter and press Ctrl D and duplicate this one and I will call it little stroke. At this time select this layer and go to fill, select none because I don't need the inside part of this. Okay, hide this one and select this stroke and select the solid color from here. Now we have this stroke. Show this one and it is not completely showing everything because it is solo selecting from here. So now it's time to animate this outer stroke. Select this little stroke and go inside contents and here is the add button and here is trim path. Simply select this trim path. It will help us to animate this stroke lines. First, place your playhead at the very beginning and set the value 0 and click on this time watch. Add the animation key and move it and 2 seconds and again set the end value 100. Here is its cap. I want to make it little bit fancy. Okay, let's go inside this ellipse and here is the line cap. Set the line cap, switch it into round cap. Okay, this time I will select its color, this kind of. So now it's time to create our numbering inside this clock. Select this type 2, click over here and type 0. Select this one and here is the color and select the white color or which do you like and select the font from here. I will select Yes Digital. I will leave the link in the description below. You can select this one. Scale it up like so and go to paragraph and make sure you have selected this center text. Go to line and set it horizontal and vertical in the middle and again press Ctrl Alt Home. Set the anchor point in the middle of this text. Okay, it's time to animate our Smanhi numbering. Click on this text, go inside and by holding Alt and left click on this source text. Again go inside this little stroke, contents and here is our stroke animation. Simply select this pick whip spiral and link it with our end animation. Okay, click anywhere and let's move it. Now you can see we have numbering but it has decimal, but we don't need the decimal. So how to fix this decimal value? And here is the code which we will use to fix this decimal. Type dot value dot to fixed and this little brackets and inside is 0. Okay, click anywhere and now we have perfect numbering animation. I will click again on this solo. Now at this time I will create this little rectangle. So how to create this little rectangle? Select this rectangle, click over here and select this rectangle. Now at this time I need the inside of this rectangle. Select the solid color and I don't need this stroke. Click stroke and select none and make sure any of the layer is not selected. Okay, click anywhere and draw a little bit nice perfect little rectangle. Click on this color and select the black color. Press Ctrl Alt Home to set this anchor point in the middle of this rectangle. Hide this image, click on this one also. Go inside this little rectangle and here is the add button. Click add button and here is the repeater. Select this repeater. Go inside this repeater and here is the copies value. I will set the copies value 12. Okay, go to transform repeater, set the position value 0. What I will do and rotate it like so and 30 is good. This is our already image and this is our, and hide this one and this is we have just created. Select this type 2 and click over here and I will type the seconds. Ctrl A, select this one and change the font from here Arial. Okay, black Arial is good. And here is this font type, scale down little bit like so and select this selection tool and move it over here. and you can also add the percentage over here. So it's very easy. This is our text. Go inside text, and here is the text, and here is our expression. Click expression, and click expression, press space and type plus and space and type, hold on shift and press quotation. Now type percentage over here, click anywhere, and now we have percentage over here. Decrease its size, select this text and decrease its size like so. And now let's play and watch. I want to create the background of it. Right click, go to new, and here is the solid. Select this solid and I will call it BG background and move it at the end behind all of these, and select this one, press Ctrl spacebar and search for color gradient. Type over here, and this type I will select the black. Select this color 3 and select this also black like so. So move it little bit more, create and create. Select this one and move it backward, and also select this one and move it backward like so. So this is how you can create this kind of clock inside After Effects. It's very super easy. So now we have successfully created clock animation inside After Effects. So in this way you can create different kinds of animations. If you have any questions, let me know. I will definitely reply it. If you find it helpful and learned something new from this video, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notifications. Check out my other video. You might be like it. See you there. Goodbye.